Hello，我的 Form One 们，大家好，欢迎回到我们的 Weekly Class for June Week 3。OK，希望大家还不错，还记得我们上个礼拜学的东西。OK，上个礼拜呢，我们学了physical 还有 chemical change。OK，physical chemical properties。OK，特征哪一个是 physical，哪一个是 chemical。OK，very simple。OK。This week 我们会来讲这个 three states of matter. One of the most important part of this chapter. Okay, super important. OK， 这是最重要的一部分。OK， 来，什么是 什么是 matter？ 记得上个礼拜我讲了哈，什么是 matter 啊 ？Matter is it has mass.然后它 occupy space. 就是它有质量，它会占据空间。very important. So 我们上个礼拜呢也学了一个东西叫做 Kinetic Theory of Matter。不知道大家还记得吗？如果你忘记了，我们回去看一看。就是讲呢，在这里我们有讲到 Kinetic 就是动，记得吗？动能。When I run, I have kinetic energy. Kinetic theory 就是为什么是 theory 呢？ Because nobody has seen this before. Because atom is too small. Like I told you before. So matter, because it happens in matter. Matter has atom. So atom is always moving. 所以我们就把它叫成 kinetic theory of matter. Alright. So matter is made up of tiny particles that are discrete. 什么是 discrete 呢？ Discrete 是分开。Separated. 所以它们是 discrete 的。然后呢 the particles are always moving. Very important. Always moving. 所以为什么我们有这个 kinetic? Always moving. 所以它会有一个 kinetic. Always moving, kinetic. So either vibrating, moving about, or colliding into one another, depending on the state of matter. So 那个 particle 动几块，我们要看它在什么 state. How far does it move? It depends on the state. The state of the matter. This is what 我们要学的东西。这是我们要学的东西。所以这里有讲到了哈。Matter is made up of constantly moving small and discrete particles. So 你想象这是一个房间。So 就好像一堆小孩子在跑这样，小孩子不会不跑的 ，they will always run. So particle 就好像这样跑，一直这样子走。看到我这个 pointer 哦，它是一直这样子动的 ，non-stop 这样子动。and then 它的 motion 是 random 的 ，you don't know where is it gonna go next. 总之它是 random 这样子跑就对了。然后 when atom moves comes together with atom， 它会 pop 撞，它会 collide，so pop 这样子动。simple. And then so how do you prove this? So 你 add 这个 potassium manganate crystal. What is this? 这是actually 一个 purple color 的 crystal. So 当你 put into 这个东西的时候呢，你不用搅的 ，you don't need to stir。搅有帮助啦 ，but 你丢进去的时候 ，you just wait， 然后你就看它开始 dissipate， 然后你等个1-2个小时，然后你回来看，喂，这个东西整个变紫色了。证明什么嘞？证明呢，这个 purple 的东西呢，这个 potassium manganate 呢。它是 atom 来的，它会 randomly move 的，就好像这样子，好像这个这样，刚才我讲的这样。所以它一进到去水里面呢，它就一直动，然后它们一直跑，然后就越跑越开，所以整个水就变紫色了。So 你 repeat the same thing， 你拿你拿这一个，你抽10 ml 出来，你放去 beaker B which 有水，一样开始可能只有一部分是紫色，然后过后全部就变成紫色了。but 你看到它变浅了吗？因为它变diluted了，它没有这样浓了，因为我只抽10 ml 丢过去。所以一样的东西抽10 ml， 我再丢过去 beaker C， 一样它会跑，然后颜色会散掉，所以你会拿到一个比较浅的紫色。然后我再做 beaker D， same thing will happen。这个实验证明什么？证明呢，你丢这个 crystal 进去它不会这样 stay 在这边的，它没有讲紫色在这边，其他旁边是透明色。除非这个 crystal 是融不进水的，这样我们不要讲，我们是 assume 这个 crystal 是融得进水的，所以你丢进去，它就会乱跑，1-2个小时后，它就会变成全部紫色了。证明什么？这个实验证明给你看 ，atom 是 always moving 的 ，that's why we call it kinetic theory of matter。我们可以证明到 atom 在 move， 可是我们看不到，所以我们叫 theory。如果我们看到 atom 就不叫 theory 了，就叫law 了。所以我们叫 theory， 因为我们可以 prove 到这个东西是会动的。I hope you understand. So 我们来看 point The purple color of the solution becomes lighter in beaker D 就是这边呢，它慢慢变浅了，因为我一直在加水。Excuse me. This is because the quantity of water particles increase. Okay, there's a lot of water, and the particles of potassium manganate 7 decrease. Okay, so 越来越少了，因为我只是抽10ml 放10ml 10ml and so on. Okay, 它一直在 dilute. Okay, 就好像你 Milo 一直加水这样啦。Okay, this shows that a single small crystal of potassium manganate is made up of millions of tiny and discrete particles when still present in bigger D, even after so much dilution. 什么是 dilution 呢？ dilution 就是弄给它薄加水。Okay, dilution 是加水。Okay, so 它的意思是讲呢 ，even 我加了很多轮水，加了3轮的水，它还是有紫色，证明一个 potassium manganate or whatever 啦 ，OK， 里面都有 millions of atom， 就是既然虽然我容积100ml， 我拿10ml 出来，这里还有 millions of atom， 我丢进去还是会有紫色。我抽这个薄了的，再丢进去还是有紫色，因为它有 millions of atom， 所以没有这样容易，我可以把全部 atom 弄掉了 ，atom 很多。Okay, so I hope you understand the concept. Okay, so kinetic theory 我们讲完了 ，OK， 我们来讲 3 states of matter 啊，这个很重要。Okay, so what are the 3 states of matter? We have solid, we have liquid, we have gas. Okay, solid, liquid, gas, 3 states of matter. 其实 matter 是有5个啦，另外2个你不需要知道，那是大学的东西。So 主要是3个。Okay, solid, liquid, gas. Okay, solid, liquid, gas. So make sure you know how to draw. 这个你要知道怎样画啊。Okay, make sure you know how to draw. 可以说你看到 solid 是排排站的吗？ Okay, 因为 solid 好像这样子，你可以 change 它的形状吗？ change 不到，因为 solid 是排排站的。Okay, liquid 是松松的，所以 liquid 可以倒来倒去。Okay, liquid you can pour it here and there. Okay, gas 更不用讲 ，gas 更散。Okay, gas 是 fill 整个东西，好像我房间全部是 gas。Okay, 它会 fill 整个东西，它不是 liquid 只是 stay 在那个 container，but gas 会 fill 整个 space。Okay, 所以 gas 更开 ，okay, 它更 separated。Okay, so 我们来看 arrangement of particle. Okay, for solid 呢 very close together as you can see 啦。Okay, very close together. So 像这边这样咯，很 close together， 好像这样子，你看 I cannot change the shape. Okay, very close together. Fixed, arranged in regular pattern. So next time 你 draw in exam， 你就画一排一排就对了。Okay, 这就是 solid. When you see this, you know this is solid， 很明显的。Okay, liquid 呢，它也是 close together。Okay, solid 是 very， 这个还是 close。Okay, 还是 close， 可是它现在没有 arrange，not arrange。Okay, 不要讲 liquid far apart 啦 ，liquid 是不会 far apart，liquid 是 still close together，but 它是 not arrange， 所以它可以 flow。Okay, 就是因为它 not arrange， 所以它可以 flow。Okay, flow, flow, flow. Okay, and then gas 呢 very far apart， 所以它会 go into the room。Okay, 它会 fill the room。Okay, not arranged at all， 没有 arrangement， 总之你给它有 space 它一定去的。Okay, whenever there's a space， air particle 会去 fill up 它，就是这样子。Okay, very simple. Okay, so space between particle. So can you see spaces here? Yes, but very small. Simple. 这里呢 small. Okay, not very small, but small. Okay, 这里大家看到吗 ？Very big. Okay, 或是 very large， 我都接受。Okay, movement of particle. Okay, 你看啊，因为它们既然 they are so close together, so they can't really move much. 它们只是在 vibrate. Okay, solid 只是在 vibrate. Okay, 因为 there's no space. Okay, 这个是跟上一点有关系的。Okay, and then for liquid 呢，它会 move freely and collide with one another. Okay, move freely and then collide， 就是它会很滑，然后它会撞来撞去，然后它会滑。Okay, 所以为什么它会 flow？ Okay, 像我刚才讲这样。And then gas 是 move randomly. Okay, freely randomly and collide with one another. Okay, 它跟liquid almost the same, only that gas moves even more. Okay, and then volume 呢 Okay, volume will stay the same. Okay, for solid 是 stay the same. Let's say 这是20 cm cube， 它就是20 cm cube. It won't change. Okay, same as liquid fixed volume. 你拿20 ml of water, you pour into another cup, you pour into another cup, another cup, another cup, another cup, still 20. Volume 是不会变的。But gas, yes, follows the volume of the container. 你的 container 有几大，它就几大。Very simple. Let's say 我拿1 kg 的 gas， 我放去一个小房间，它会 fill in 整个房间。我放去大房间，它也会 fill in 整个房间。Volume 就不一样了，看到吗 OK， 虽然是 mass 一样 ，OK，so 这个就是我讲到哦，我们来看 shape 先 ，OK，fixed shape，OK，this doesn't change shape，OK，for liquid follow shape of container，so you pour whatever shape 它就变什么 shape，OK，gas also same thing。OK，and then OK， 这个 compressibility 呢，就是说它可不可以被的干，可不可以被压缩 ？OK， 这个是 follow space 的。OK， 你看啊 ，solid 已经没有 space 了 ，so you cannot compress it， 你压不到，它没有空间了。It's like 一辆巴士已经很满了，你讲，诶，你进去一点，我要上 ，impossible， 挤不到了。OK，and then liquid 还可以挤一点点 ，but 通常呢 liquid 是挤不到的。就算有 maybe 0.1%， so close to nothing。最能挤到的就是 gas。gas is easily compressible。OK， 你懂你的煮菜 gas 吗 ？OK， 你的 cooking gas， 它就是拿很多 gas compress and then put it into the tank。so inside there， 所以你看你的煮菜 gas， 你的 cooking gas 会写 do not heat high pressure， 因为它把很多东西挤进去。OK，so 很危险，它会爆炸。OK， 因为它很 high pressure 了。OK，so attractive force between particles。OK，strong 就是它们之间的感情好不好？这个很好。OK，can you see that their relationship very close？OK，so 这个呢 weak。OK， 这个 very weak， 因为 gas 好像 strangers 这样 ，they don't even know each other， 他们就会跑来跑去，跑来跑去。OK，simple。So this is the most important part you have to memorize. I would say 这个 chapter 里面最 the most important 就是这个。Okay, please memorize this by heart. You have to. Okay. If you ask me 我觉得这个不是很难背啦 because most of these are common sense. Okay, not hard to memorize at all. Okay, so 这里有一个 extra knowledge. You see this in maybe National Geographic 还是 Discovery Channel. Okay, so 这个是fourth state of matter. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is a fourth state of matter. Okay, we call it plasma. Okay, 什么是 plasma? You think of fire. Okay, when you see fire. Okay, when you see fire. Okay, as in you have a candle and then you see fire. Okay, is the fire solid? No. Is fire liquid? Not really. You cannot pour fire. Is fire gas? Not really. So for fire 我们有一个新的名字给它，它叫 plasma。Okay， 什么是 plasma？Okay， 它是 ionized gas particle， 它很像 gas。Okay， 它很像 gas，but 它什么是 ionized？ionized 就是有 charge。Okay， 什么是有 charge？ 就是 plus minus。Okay，for example lightning。Okay，lightning 是 plus minus 的，因为the cloud is minus。The ground is positive， 所以它就 boom 下来 ，so you see a lightning down there，OK， 好像 electricity 那 ，so we call it plasma。OK，so 这个你看到的这个 ，OK，lightning whenever you see this，OK， 这个那个 electricity 的那个东西那就是 plasma。OK，so aurora same thing，you know is aurora， 这个叫极光。OK， 极光。OK，you see this in 南极 ，OK，North Pole，sorry 北极 ，OK，you see it there。OK， 这是因为太阳的那个有 charge 的光线被打散掉了， so you see green lights around。OK， 很神奇的一个东西。那 fluorescent light， 什么是 fluorescent 呢？这个我这个 light， 这些 light fluorescent light。OK，and what else welding arc？ 什么是 welding arc 呢？如果你有看过人家烧焊 welding， 什么是烧焊呢？好像 OK，for example， 我要拿两个铁接在一起。所以他就会拿一架 machine， 然后他盖一个面具，这样滋这样子烧那个就是 welding。OK， 那个就是 welding那个东西就是 plasma。OK，plasma is very hot。OK，how hot？ Up to 5,000-6,000 degrees Celsius. Lightning is that hot， 所以你给 lightning 打到你会死。Not because of the heat 啦 ，OK， because of the electricity. You die because of the electricity。因为给 lightning 打到大概是5,000-6,000 volt。OK， 你家里的电线那个 plug 是240 volt， 你都会死了。So lightning is few thousand. Okay, how can you not die? Come on. Okay, so simple. So at this, 这个你讲，sir, do I need to memorize this? You can choose not to. This is extra info for you. Okay, you might say, this isn't I takisa. Never mind. Okay, don't memorize. Okay, it's okay. You only need to memorize this three. Okay, this is extra info for you. Okay, so diffusion rate in 3 states of matter. Okay, what is diffusion? 什么是 diffusion 呢？ Okay, diffusion 是我们叫渗透。Okay， 透是哪一个透啊？我也忘记了。OK， 渗透。OK，whatever。OK， 什么是渗透呢 ？Let's say now， 你妈咪喷香水 ，OK， 她喷 perfume， 她喷 and then you are sitting like 10 meters away from her. Okay, not 10 meters. Your house is not that big. Maybe 5 meters from her. Okay, maybe 5 meters from her. And then maybe 10-30 seconds 了哦，你就开始说，我嗅到妈咪的香水了啊？为什么是这样？这个我们就叫 diffusion 渗透。OK， 刚才妈咪 ，let's say 妈咪在这边喷香水。OK，your mom is spraying perfume here. OK， 这里有很多香水 ，high concentration，a lot of perfume 在这边。OK，so 你这边没有 perfume，so 它就会从 high 的地方去 low 的地方，它就会飘过来，然后就perfume。OK，so this is how diffusion works. Basically 是从 high concentration 去 low concentration。OK，think of it this way. So 现在你有 room A。OK，this is room A 哈 ，very crowded，a lot of people here。OK， 然后呢，突然间呢，你开一个 room B。OK， 你开一个 room B， 做一个桥啊，那些人哦，你不用跟他讲了，好像 shopping mall 这样，你一开了，就有人自己会走过来了。OK， 然后就变成呢 A 这边比较少了。OK， 他会去 B 这边，所以他就会散开，人会散开。So you think of it this way， 那个人就好像 atom 这样啊，所以你妈咪喷香水，那边很多人，那个人就是那个香水。OK， 然后呢as time goes on， 那个人会开始飘过来这边，因为这边比较空，比较有位置，他就飘过来这边，你就睡到了咯。OK，same goes to any smell 啦。OK，when your mom is cooking whatever， 那个 smell 会从那边就跑过来 because of diffusion。OK，diffusion 啊 ，very important concept。OK，so 为什么 diffusion 可以这样快？可能你讲哇，why is it 几秒你就嗅到了？因为 atom 是很多粒的 ，few millions of it。That's why imagine few millions of people running away. That's why you have very fast the thing goes very fast， 因为它很多。OK，so diffusion is the movement of particle from regional can you see？ 看到吗？刚才跟你讲 high concentration to regional low concentration。从多人的地方去少人的地方OK，so diffusion can occur in solid, liquid, and gas because there are spaces between particles. As long as 你有空位，看到吗？这里有 space， 有 space， 有 space， 有 space 就会有 diffusion 了。OK，so 谁的 space 比较多想一下。Solid, liquid 还是 gas 的 space 比较多 ？Of course 是 gas， 看到 gas 很多 space 吗？所以 gas 的 diffusion 可以说是最快 ，the fastest。因为你看啊，这里我要经过，很挤啊，哇 ，lot very traffic jam here。So 这里smoother a bit， 哇 ，gas 是 very smooth， 所以 diffusion 应该是 fastest 最快的。OK，so common sense 啦。That's why 你妈咪在 kitchen 煮东西within like few seconds you would know， 因为很快，因为它很多 space， 它可以直接 zoom 去你的地址，you smell it。OK，so when someone farted in your classroom，example， 我用香水啦我觉得香水比较好闻，unless you like to smell fart， then that's your problem。so the smell of fart can be detected a few meters away. The smell of fart spread through the room through diffusion. So like here 啦，so 在lift放屁肯定嗅到，因为它是一个这样小的 space，and then like I said，air 是很快传味道的。Of course you smell it。just like 垃圾车，before 那个 trash truck come，maybe you hear it from the sound, but within few minutes away you would know 那个 smell 你知道了 it's here, it's coming. So very simple concept. So same thing here 啦，看到这是 room A， 这是 room A， 这是 room B。So 好像一个 shopping mall 这样啦，你一开了一个门他们就会互相走动了，他们就会 mix。So 跟刚才这个 concept 是一样的，跟这个 potassium manganate。So can you see this is diffusion? Yes, this is diffusion as well. This is diffusion. 这么刚我不要讲 diffusion， 我怕你不明白。我先解释了先。So diffusion happens because of kinetic theory of matter. 看到吗？它是 link 在一起的。Diffusion happens because of this. 因为东西会动，所以就会有 diffusion。因为 kinetic theory 嘛 ，kinetic means moving. Understand? When I run, I have kinetic energy.When I'm not moving, I have no kinetic energy. So kinetic energy, so it moves, then you can smell. Diffusion. Okay, so where can we see diffusion like here, 这里。看So let's say 这里我放一个 copper sulfate crystal. What the hell is this thing? OK 啊，这是一个 blue color crystal。刚才 potassium manganate 是 purple 嘛 ？OK，now we use blue。OK，so 你看哦 ，after OK 这是 gel 啊，这是 gel 啊，you have gel here 哈，OK，you have gel here。OK，so 它是 colorless 啊。OK，so as 你等 maybe in a few days 啊，看到它整个东西变 blue 了吗？它 diffuse through the whole solid。OK，this is solid 啊，solid 啊，不要以为没有 gel 啊。OK，they can't draw it to you because colorless 它抓不到。OK，so the blue color of the copper sulfate slowly spread to all parts of the gel. After a few days, all the gel turns blue and copper 2 crystal disappear. 看到吗？这个东西不见了哦，它已经 diffuse 完进去了。OK，so discussion 呢，我们来看解释啊。The diffusion of copper sulfate in the gel is very slow。看到吗？刚才我讲 gas 是最快，因为 gas 很多 space。Solid very slow，因为 there's not much space between 啊，这里我就解释给你听了咯。Space between particles in a solid is very small. Okay, like here, can you see? Very small space. It's like a traffic jam. Okay, so I'll write it here. Just imagine 啦哈 traffic jam. Okay, so particles are close, very close together. So 它很 close， 东西它要 diffuse 可以 ，but 很慢。Few days, can you see? Okay, so let's say liquid. So 你现在拿一粒东西，啵丢进去水里面，好像 Panadol 这样，它就会 diffuse 了。OK，so after a few hours 啊 ，can you see？ 刚才是 few days， 现在是 few hours。All the water turns blue. Diffusion of copper in water is faster than gel. OK，faster than gel 是 solid 啦。OK，so particles in a liquid are further apart compared to solid. So further apart, so or you can say more space. More space to diffuse. OK，so 这个刚才那是 traffic jam， 这个是a lot of cars but not jam. So you can still move, but you can move much faster. OK，so 我们来看 gas 啊。Oh, gas is even much faster. So FOB 这个东西就直接进来了。The smoke quickly spreads into the jar filled with air. After a few minutes, just now was hours, 现在是 minutes. Both gas jars are filled with smoke. The diffusion of smoke in the gas in the air is very fast. There's a lot of space between gas and particles. A lot of space. OK，so particles are very far apart from one another. OK，that's why 你妈咪煮东西 in the kitchen， 或是她喷香水 perfume, few seconds you can smell it. OK，so imagine you are in water. OK，imagine you are like SpongeBob 啦哈，你现在住在 water. Not that you can cook underwater 啦 ，but just imagine 现在你是 water. So 你妈咪煮饭你要等几分钟才嗅到，她煮完了你才嗅到。OK，and then solid 更 stupid 啦，你 imagine 你的 solid，so 你要等几天你才会嗅到。OK，so air is the fastest because it has a lot of space to diffuse. OK，so 我们来讲一点 changes in state of matter 啦哈。OK，so I hope you have still a bit of time. OK，so you have solid here. OK，and then you have liquid, and then you have gas. OK，so 这里有6个 process 你要记。Yes， 6个 process，6 processes. OK，so 我们先来看 solid. OK。我们先可以看到 red 跟 blue 吗？可以看到 red 跟 blue 吗？ OK，red means heat absorbed. Can you see? Heat absorbed. Heat absorbed, heat absorbed. 我写一个细热。OK，so for 蓝色呢，我们是放热。OK， 是放热能。So 一个细一个放。OK，so 我们来看 solid 啊。OK，solid， 它变去 liquid， 它细热。你怎样知道？从冰变水，东西开始不冷了，东西开始变热，吸热咯。所以这个 process 叫 melting， 溶解。melting。so heat absorb 啦。然后呢，从 liquid 变去 gas， 从水变去蒸汽，蒸汽很热，对吗？so 吸热咯。heat absorb。这个 process 呢，这里有2个 process， 一个叫 evaporation。evaporation 是 slow，boiling 是 fast。That's the difference. Boiling is like few minutes, evaporation 是 few days. And then 呢，怎么可以直接 solid 变 gas 的嘞？这个是 only in dry ice. Dry ice. So we call this sublimation. Sublimation. So dry ice 它不会溶去水的，它直接变 gas 的。懂什么 dry ice 你去买 Baskin Robbins 它有给你的。So you won't get wet everywhere. 这个东西它一干了，它 sublimate 了，就是果送了，没有东西了。You don't see liquid around. OK，and then 我们来看 the other way. So 从 gas 呢变去 liquid 呢，从蒸汽变去水，它变冷了，对吗？所以它放热咯，它释放热能了，它变冷了。好像你 运动你流汗你是释放热能，所以你就变冷了。OK，so 这个东西叫 condensation， 我们叫蒸凝。sorry 叫凝聚 ，sorry 凝聚。我的华语退步了。so condensation heat release. So 你拿 any mirror, I have a mirror here, so you can see steam water vapor. So 这就是 condensation. OK， 然后从 liquid 变去 solid， so 从 water 变 ice， 它变冷 ，so heat release. OK，so the other way 也是叫 sublimation 或者是叫 deposition， 这个东西很少问的，这个不要去记。OK， 都是叫 sublimation， 就是从 carbon dioxide 变去 dry ice。Dry ice is carbon dioxide. It's frozen carbon dioxide. So 我们来看 each of the process 我们来看 each of the process. You know what? I think I'm gonna stop here. Next week 我才 continue 这个东西。因为这里有很多 point 我要讲。so 你先了解这几个名字先。Alright, so let's move into exercise. In the space below, draw the arrangement of particles in stone, coffee, and balloon. So of course 我们知道这个是 solid. 它有问， so 我们 write down here solid, liquid, and gas. So how do you draw? It's very simple. Solid 是这样啦。Draw it big 不要给我画小小粒don't waste time. Just draw it big. Liquid 是这样。Still close. Still close but not close, not too close. And then gas is like that. Simple. State the arrangement of particle for stone and balloon. For stone 是怎样呢？ Very close together. For Q 是 close together. And then C, state the difference in the movement of particles between stone and balloon. So 它要 movement of particle. So vibrate. At fixed position. 就是它站在那边 vibrate. That's all. Now for balloon 呢是slide. Slide over one another. 它们会滑来滑去。And then D, explain why balloon is easier to compress than stone. 因为 balloon 跟 balloon 里面是 air 跟 air 之间有很多 space. 因为 a lot of space between particles. For stone 呢 particle 跟 particle 之间没有位了，它不能再近了。No space at all. E, explain why a stone has different shape, definite shape. Definite 是 fixed 的意思。Fixed shape. 因为为什么 solid 基本上就是问你为什么 solid 不会变形状。因为particles. Particles 要怎样讲呢？ How should you say this? Particles are vibrating at fixed position. 它已经定位了 fixed position, you cannot change it. That's why 你看全部 atom 已經 fix 了，它已經在裡面了。You cannot change the shape of this. Explain why coffee can flow. 因為there are spaces between particles. So able to slide over one another. So 可以 slide. So classify into solid, liquid, gas. So 我把 solid 先圈起来。So 你有 charcoal 是碳然后你有 ice， 然后你有 sulfur， 然后应该就这样。liquid 我把它 tick 起来，有 petrol, kerosene， 还有 mercury。So the rest left over 就是 steam 跟 hydrogen 啦。什么是 kerosene? Kerosene 是一种 fuel， 一种bahan api。它跟 petrol 是很像的。And then number 7, matter has mass and occupies space. It consists of small particles. Shows an example of matter. State the state of matter of P and Q. So P 是那个 cup, P 是 solid. Q, P 是那个 coffee So P 是 liquid. P 是 liquid. Q 是 solid. Okay, a spoon of black coffee powder was poured into a cup of water. After 15 seconds, the water changed into black color. 啊，这叫什么？这叫什么？这叫 diffusion. Remember? Diffusion. Okay, 因为那个 powder 跑进去了，它就会到处跑。Okay, 它会 spread around, so 它会 diffuse from high concentration to low concentration. 它会 spread around. Okay, so how does the water turn black? Okay, so 你可以写 diffusion. Okay, so coffee powder particles move from high concentration area to low concentration. Okay, so 整个 coffee 就 turn black 啦。Okay, state of matter, describe the arrangement and movement of the particles. So arrangement 是怎样嘞？ Okay, closely arrange. Movement, vibrate at fixed position. Okay, diagram 4 shows some chicken in a wok. State the matter of P and Q. Okay, P 是 gas. Okay, and then Q 是 solid. Okay, so draw P and Q. 这是 P. Okay, 这是 Q. Okay, relate the compressibility. Okay, compressibility 是可不可以boleh dimampak 可不可以被压 ？Okay, of matter P which arrangement of particles 就是它现在你把这两个 relate 起来，就是它能不能压缩跟它的排法有什么关系 ？Okay, so 你可以先讲 P is compressible. Okay, 先告诉我它可不可以被压，它可以，为什么 ？Okay, 因为 particles are very far apart. Okay, 或是 a lot of spaces between particles. Okay, and then D, relate the shape and volume of matter Q with its arrangement of particles. So, 它要你把 Q 的 shape 跟 volume 跟它的 arrangement of particle 做关联。Okay, so 先告诉我的 shape 跟 volume 是怎样。Okay, so for Q 呢 ，Q has fixed shape and volume. Okay, 就是 means for Q 呢，它的形状不会变 ，volume 也不会变。为什么呢？因为 particles are arranged very close together. Okay, simple. Next, question 9. An activity carried out to study the diffusion of particles in gas. Okay, so 这里它放一个 bromine. Okay, bromine 是 brown 色的。Okay, so 跟刚才我们的那个 notes 里面的一样。Based on the diagram above, okay, based on the diagram above, explain why tube turns brownish after a few minutes. Okay, so 你可以讲bromine particles diffuse from area of high concentration to low concentration. Okay, so 整个东西就变 brown 咯。Okay, very simple. Explain the movement for the bromine gas particle. Okay, explain the movement. Okay, so 你要解释它怎样 move. Okay, so 它会 move randomly in all direction. Okay, 这个 all direction 很重要。Okay, 所以它为什么 all direction？ 所以它整个 tube 都会有颜色。Okay, in all direction. So 你可以讲它 collide with one another or with wall of container. Okay, 它会跟互相撞，或是跟那个墙壁撞，那个玻璃的墙壁撞。Okay, give the definition of diffusion. Okay, what's the definition of diffusion? Movement of particles from high concentration to low concentration. Okay, simple. And then D, a creative science activity is carried out to investigate the diffusion in solid. Okay, in solid, very slow. Some food colorings are dropped into a container that contains gelatin as shown in the diagram below. Okay, so 什么是 gelatin 呢 ？gelatin 是啫喱，所以你拿来做它，你东西有放 gelatin 呢，它就变硬硬了的，好像 agar 这样。OK， 所以这些是 food coloring， 可以看到这些是 color 吗？所以那个 color 会跑出来，你的 gelatin 就会有颜色了。OK，which explains why 你的豆腐豆腐是 white color 的，你蒸去 any color， 它久了它会变颜色。Same as your 汤圆，你的汤圆 white color 汤圆，你蒸什么那种有颜色的水蒸久了，它会变颜色的。OK。So, explain why there are various colors spread in the gelatin after a while. Okay, so 你可以讲food colorings okay has 要怎样讲呢？我们就讲 color pigment 啦。color pigment 是色素 ，OK， color pigment particles。OK， so 它会 diffuse into gelatin。OK， gelatin 是 low concentration if they ask 啦。OK， so gelatin 就会有颜色咯，它会 diffuse 出去，所以外面会有颜色。OK， so if you put the container in refrigerator and another identical container at room temperature, does the food coloring diffuse at same rate? OK， 就是一个放冷，一个放热，一样速度吗 ？No。Okay, explain your answer. Okay, so 你可以讲 refrigerator has lower temperature. Okay, so particles have lower kinetic energy. 它没有动这样快，因为它很多 heat energy 它拿掉了，它没有 energy 了，它很冷。Okay, so has lower energy, so diffusion rate is slower. OK， 这个跟你的食物为什么放去冰储不会坏的 concept 是一样的，它会 slow down 那个 bacteria. OK， so bacteria 不 active， 你食物就不会坏啦。So simple concept. OK, so I think I will stop here before the video gets too long. OK, of course, 如果你有上我的 live class, I would most likely finish all of this exercise. OK.So I think that's it for today. Okay, thank you for listening. 我们下个礼拜再继续。下个礼拜we will finish this chapter 啦，我们会把这一课讲完它。Okay, so that's it for this week. I will see you again next week. Okay, bye bye.